Whether you study on campus or at a distance, the Library and Academic Skills Center offers a lot of resources that can help you succeed in your studies. Through the library website, you can register for a library account, which you need to borrow books and make reservations. Here you will also find all the electronic materials like ebooks and scientific articles that you will need. It's easy to find the library. It's located in the middle of campus in House 7. Here you can borrow books and media equipment. You can sit down to study for yourself or in a group. You can pick up your reservations or just relax and read a newspaper or a magazine. In the library building you will also find the Academic Skills Center. And at the Academic Skills Center you can get help with such things as academic writing, study skills, information searching and reference management, mathematics, statistics and how to use IT and media in your studies. And of course we offer the same support to you who is a distance students as to those who study on campus. If you have any questions, just send us an email or visit us at the information desk. Welcome to the Library and Academic Skills Center.